1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity, then prove that x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now we have to show that this total value is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Given condition is 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity. So first we are writing the given condition, given data, given that 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity. So these are the cube roots of unity, means the formulas are 1 plus omega square is equals to 0 and the value of omega cube is equals to 1. Now we have to show that this result. So first we take the LHS value. LHS is equals to x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega, and this is equals to x plus y plus z into, first we are taking the product of the second and third terms here. So we take the x plus y plus z term as x plus y plus z. Next take the product of the remaining two terms, x into x square plus x into y omega, xy omega plus x into z omega square, xz omega square plus, now taking the product with y omega square, x into y omega square, xy omega square plus y omega into y omega square, y square omega cube plus y omega square into z omega square, yz omega power 4 plus z omega into these three terms, z omega into x, xz omega plus z omega into y omega, yz omega square plus z omega into z omega square, z square omega cube, and this is equals to x plus y plus z into, first I write the term x square plus xy omega plus xz omega square plus xy omega square plus y square omega cube is equals to 1, that is it becomes only y square plus yz omega power 4, omega power 4 is equals to omega cube into omega, that is 1 into omega means omega, plus xz omega plus yz omega square plus z square into omega cube, but omega cube equals to 1, so z square into 1, that is only z square, and this is equals to x plus y plus z into, first we take the term x square, first we are writing the term x square, next y square, next z square, so x square plus y square plus z square plus, next from these two terms we take xy omega, xy common, xy omega square, taking xy common, xy into omega plus omega square plus, next from the next two terms, that is from the term yz and yz omega and yz omega square, we take yz common, yz into omega plus omega square, and from the remaining two terms which are xz omega square, xz omega, from those two terms we take xz common, xz into omega plus omega square, but the value of omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, then omega plus omega square value is equals to minus 1, so this is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, this is minus 1 into xy minus xy, minus 1 into yz minus yz, minus 1 into zx minus zx, which is nothing but, now x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus x square minus yz minus zx, which is nothing but the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the formula. So here the formula is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is the formula, which is equals to RHS. if 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity, then prove that the first result 1 minus omega plus omega square power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega power 6 is equal to 128 is equals to 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7. And the second result is a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega is equals to a cube plus b cube. And the third result is x square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0, where x is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2. So here we want to show that these three results, given that 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity. Now we will prove the results one by one. So first we are writing the given condition. Given that 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity. That is 1 plus omega square is equals to 0, and the second value omega cube is equals to 1. Now taking the first result. Here the first one is 1 minus omega plus omega square power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole power 6. In the next step we are writing this term as 1 plus omega square minus omega. Means we are interchanging these two terms here, 1 plus omega square minus omega power 6 plus here also we are interchanging these two terms, second and third terms, that is 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. Now this is equals to 1 plus omega square. From this equation we have 1 plus omega square is equals to minus omega minus omega whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega value is nothing but minus omega square whole power 6 minus 2 omega power 6 plus minus 2 omega square power 6. That is, here power is the even number, so minus becomes positive. That is, this is 2 power 6 into omega power 6 plus 2 power 6 into omega power 2 6 12. Minus becomes plus, and 2 power 6 omega power 6, 2 power 6 omega square power 6, 2 power 12. Now this is equals to 2 power 6 into omega power 6 is equals to 1. Omega power 6, that is omega cube whole square, that is 1. Plus 2 power 6 into omega power 12, omega cube whole power 4, that is also 1. So this is 2 power 6 plus 2 power 6, and 2 power 6 value is 64. 64 plus 64 equals to 128. Therefore, this value is equals to 128. Now coming to the second result. Second one is 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 minus omega plus omega square power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7. Now this is equals to, again here also first we interchange the second and third terms, that is 1 plus omega square minus omega whole power 7 plus here also this is 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7, and this is equals to 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square value is nothing but minus omega whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega, which is nothing but minus omega square whole power 7. Now this is minus 2 omega power 7 plus minus 2 omega square power 7. So minus 1 whole power 7, so becomes minus, this is the odd number, minus 2 power 7 into omega power 7 minus 2 power 7 into omega power 14 to 7 0, and this is minus 2 power 7 value 128 into omega power 7 is equals to omega power 6 into omega becomes omega, minus here also 128 into omega power 14 is equals to omega power 12 into omega square, that is omega square only, since omega power 12 becomes 1. Taking minus 128 common here, minus 128 into omega plus omega square. But what is omega plus omega square? Omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1. That is minus 128 into minus 1, which is equals to 128. That's all. This is the first result. Plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega is equals to a cube plus b cube. So we are taking the LHS here. LHS is equals to a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega, and this is equals to a plus b into, next we take the product of the next two terms, that is a omega into a omega square, a square omega cube plus a omega into b omega, ab omega square plus next b omega square into a omega square, that is ab omega power 4 plus b omega square into b omega, b square omega cube, and this is equals to a plus b into a square omega cube is equals to 1 plus ab omega square plus ab into omega, omega power 4 is equals to omega cube into omega, that is omega, plus b square, since omega cube equals to 1, and this is equals to a plus b into a square, ab omega square plus ab omega, taking ab common here, ab into omega square plus omega plus b square, and this is equals to a plus b into a square, omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1, so minus ab plus b square, 1 plus omega square equals to 0, then omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1, replacing that value here. Now this is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is nothing but a cube plus b cube, that is the RHS. That's all. So a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is equals to a cube plus b cube. And the next result, prove that x square plus 4x plus 7 equals to 0, given that where x is equals to omega minus omega square minus 2. Now x value is given. X is equals to omega minus omega square minus 2. Now we want to show that x square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So first I am taking the given x value, given that x is equals to omega minus omega square minus 2, which implies writing this minus 2 to this side, then it becomes x plus 2. X plus 2 is equals to omega minus omega square. Now squaring on both sides, x plus 2 whole square is equals to omega minus omega square whole square. That is, taking the expansion, x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to, here also taking the expansion, a minus b whole square, omega square, a square omega square, b square omega power 4 minus 2 omega cube, and which implies x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to omega square plus, this is nothing but omega, minus 2, omega cube is equals to 1, then it becomes minus 2, which implies x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to omega square plus omega, omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1, minus 2, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to minus 3, which implies x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 equals to 0, which is the required answer. X square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. That's all.